must be terminated. Ha ha ha, I cannot be killed. Now die. You? Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Good thing we have this live camera attached to the robot. Now let's take that shutting down. Damn it, he must have turned him off. Let's go get him. No, he must have pulled out his wires. Let's go bring him to Doc. Doc, we need you to fix... Oh my god, he's dead! Damn, this chainsaw guy is good. What do we do now? I don't think there's anything we can do. I think there might be one way. I know this guy. So you think you know how to defeat this guy? Yeah, I have a couple ideas. Can you show us one? Sure. Here's one way. Ooh. Man, this guy's good. Yeah, I guess that could help. Let's do this. So are you ready? Oh yeah, I'm ready to kick some butt.